Class 10th, Subject English, Chapter 2.2 The Boy Who Broke the Bank. English Workshop. Question 1. Who am I? Means identify the character from the extract. A. I am the washerman's son. Who am I? Answer: Sitaram. B. I am the owner of the bank. Who am I? Answer: Seth Govind Ram. C. I am the sweeper. Who am I? Answer: Nathu. D. I am the friend of Mr. Srivastava. Who am I? Answer: Mrs. Bhushan. E. I am the hairdresser. Who am I? Answer: Deep Chand. F. I have a crooked leg. Who am I? Answer: the beggar Ganpat. Question 2. Make a list of customers of Pipalnagar Bank from the extract. Answer: 1. Tailor. 2. Free vendor. 3. Jeweler. 4. Ganpat, the beggar. 5. Deep Chand, the barber. 6. Elderly gentleman. 7. Beetle seller. Question 3. Match the following and write the complete meaningful sentences. Answers: 1. Sitaram was looking out for any job that might suit Nathu. 2. According to Mr. Bhushan, it was the hottest summer in the history of Pipalnagar. 3. Govind Ram was holidaying in Kashmir. 4. The manager told the customers, go to home and come back the next day. Question 4. Write who said to whom. A. Don't dress such dust. Answer: Sitaram, the washerman's son, said this to Nathu, the sweeper. B. Who would have thought the bank would collapse? Answer: Nathu said this to himself. C. Where did you disappear? Answer: Mr. Bhushan said this to her husband. D. The bird has flown. Answer: the elderly gentleman said to Deep Chand, the barber. Question 5. Why was the manager of the bank in a dilemma? Write down in 5 to 6 lines in your notebook. Answer: the small bank had gone through all its ready cash, and so the harassed manager was in a dilemma. The bank was short of cash. Emergency funds could only be obtained from another bank some 30 miles distant, and he wasn't sure he could persuade the crowd to wait until then. There was no way of contacting Seth Govind Ram, who was on his houseboat in Kashmir, so the manager was in a great dilemma. Question 6. Cross out the odd man: sweeper, hooligan, beggar, declare, locker. Answer: declare is odd man. B. Hurriedly, carelessly, salary, definitely, suddenly. Answer: salary is odd man. C. Imminent, latest, pavement, awful, shocking. Answer: pavement is odd man. D. Morning, scattering, raising, collecting, shouting. Answer: morning is odd man. Question 7. Find the describing words for the following from the text. Answer: customary tour, photography shop, plate glass window, crooked leg. Question 8. Complete the following table. Answer: verb, pay, noun, payment, adjective, payable, adverb, not available, verb, not available, noun, suddenness, adjective, sudden, adverb, suddenly, verb, declare, noun, declaration, adjective, declarable, adverb, not present, verb, cheer, noun, cheer, adjective, cheerful, adverb, cheerfully. Question 9. Write in your own words a few sentences about each of the following. A. Nathu. Answer: Nathu was a sweeper working with the Pipalnagar Bank, owned by Seth Govind Ram. He was annoyed because the bank had not paid his salary, though they were the last days of the month. He was sweeping hurriedly and carelessly because he was not happy with the owner. He was thinking of leaving that job. B. Mrs. Srivastava. Answer: Mrs. Srivastava was Sitaram's customer and was the lady of the house he visited. She gave some instructions to the ayah and the cook and then went the Pipalnagar marketplace to make her usual tour of the cloth market. At one end of the bazaar, she met her friend Mrs. Bhushan. They both complained of the hot summer and they talked about the sample of cloth. Then Mrs. Srivastava told Mrs. Bhushan that Seth Govind Ram's bank could not pay their sweeper for over a month. She seems to be very talkative lady and was the root cause of the rumor about Pipalnagar Bank. C. Seth Govind Ram. Answer: Seth Govind Ram was the owner of the Pipalnagar Bank. A rumor was spread that the bank was about to go bankrupt. There was chaos among the people of Pipalnagar. Seth was holidaying in Kashmir and the manager of the bank was in dilemma as he was unable to contact Seth Govind Ram, who was on his houseboat in Kashmir. There were rumors about Seth's absence in Pipalnagar. D. Sitaram. Answer: Sitaram was a washerman's son. He used to deliver freshly pressed clothes to every home. He plodded barefoot along the road to deliver a big bundle of clothes on his head. He was a helpful person. He was glad that he would be of a service to both a customer and his friend Nathu. Question 10. Expand the theme in a write-up of about 20 lines. A. Rumors are spreaded by fools and accepted by greater fools. Answer: rumors are lies spreaded by people who don't feel the need to check facts before passing on a story. They have no truth to them and often end up creating problems for the people involved in the false story. It is not only foolish to communicate a story that is based on a lie, but also irresponsible on the part of the person who engages in such communication. The extent to which a rumor spreads also depends on whether the person hearing it believes it or not. If each person believes the lie without checking all the facts, then the rumors can be spreaded widely and can cause a lot of damage. It is not very wise to simply repeat what we hear from someone. It is important to think whether the story we have been told is true or not, whether it's actually possible or not. and whether it is coming from a reliable source. People who spread rumors don't really take their moral responsibility seriously. They engage in such acts to create difficult situations for other peoples. It's like Zaid Abdelner said, rumors are carried by haters, spreaded by fools, and accepted by idiots. B. Books are our real friends. Answer. Books are a world in themselves. They are like friends you never want to leave. They are always there to comfort you in your hour of need. There is no better company than that a good book. It helps you learn and discover areas that you have never explored before. Books are a source of knowledge. The ideas, concepts, adventures, and experience expressed in a book help expand our knowledge base. They are a world of priceless teasers. Just like the search for knowledge is endless, the number of books in the world is also innumerable. Books also help to build character. They help a person gain confidence and give them the courage to speak. They are of great assistance when it comes to improving language skills. The more books you read, the more it will help you to improve your vocabulary. And a well-spoken person is a well-groomed person. A person with a good personality can easily win hearts. Books do a lot more than just develop our personality. They make us a better person with their rich and ethical content. They steer us away from bad, unwanted habits and encourages us to be a better version of ourselves. They help us build a new environment in which we can stay focused and succeed in life. Books can be our friends, philosophers, and our guides. They give us a wonderful company. Question 11. Project. Collect the names of books written by Ruskin Bond. Answer. The name of some of the books written by Ruskin Bond are: first, The Room on the Roof; second, The Blue Umbrella; third, A Flight of Pigeons; fourth, Rusty; fifth, Handful of Nuts; sixth, Roads to Missouri; seventh, The India I Love; eighth, The Night Train at Devli; 9. Time Stops at Shamli; 10th, The Cherry Tree; 11th, The Hidden Pool; 12th, A Town Called Dera; 13th, The Road to the Bazaar; 14, Maharani; 15, A Season of Ghosts. 1. I know of a sweeper boy who's looking for work. Complete the sentences given below using your own adjective clauses. Answer. 1. I know of a school boy who is good in drawing. 2. I know the joke that Samir cracked at the party yesterday. 3. I know of a doctor who is an excellent surgeon. 4. I know of a place where there are tall trees. 5. I know the reason why the ocean is blue. 2. Rewrite the following sentences, joining them with when, where, which, why. A. Sitaram had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes. He balanced it on his head. Answer. Sitaram had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes, which he balanced it on his head. B. A large, shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar. Mrs. Srivastava found her friend Mrs. Bhushan there. Answer. A large, shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar, where Mrs. Srivastava found her friend Mrs. Bhushan there. C. The Pipalnagar Bank has stopped paying employees. It is about to collapse. Answer. The Pipalnagar Bank has stopped paying employees, which is about to collapse. D. He had finished his work. He sat down on the highest step. Answer. When he had finished his work, he sat down on the highest step.